Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I am MD Saidur Rahman from Manchester, England. In my previous videos, I have discussed about roundabout regarding how to drive in the roundabout, some tips and tricks about driving in the roundabout. I have also discussed about the crossroad and junctions regarding how to drive in the crossroad, some tips and tricks about driving in the crossroad. Today, I will discuss about how to turn right and different approaching of turning right. Enjoy your watching. Now, I will discuss about turning right like this type of road. If you want to turn right and your vehicle is just there and you are going forward, so first of all, you need to turn your indicator right and then need to go forward. After going forward, if your vehicle is just that point and if your right mirror is just to the right road and centroid line, then you need to wait for turning right. If from the opposite side the oncoming vehicle will come, so you need to wait on that point by keeping your indicator turning right. After passing the oncoming vehicle, if there will be no oncoming vehicle from the opposite road, then you need to gently passing right from that side. This is another type of right turning. If you want to turn right like this junction, first of all, you need to turn your indicator right if your vehicle is just there. Then just go forward, and if no vehicle behind you is coming, then you just need to turn right and just need to go inside this box junction. This type of junction is called box junction, and by keeping your indicator right, you need to wait in that box junction if there will any oncoming vehicle come from the opposite side. So after going the oncoming vehicle from the opposite side, if the opposite side is clear, then you need to turn right from this way. Sometimes during turning right, the box junction look like this. If the box junction will look like this, then during turning right, first of all you need to turn your indicator, obviously turning right. Then slowly you need to go forward and you need to enter inside this box junction. So during enter, you must keep in your mind that at least two right hand side wheel of your car will be inside in this box junction. That is the correct way. If only one wheel will be inside this box junction and rest of the three wheel outside this box junction during turning right, that is the wrong way. And if that will be happen during your practical test, you will fail in your practical test. So you must keep in your mind that your car should be inside this box during turning right. This is another type of the right turning road pattern. Basically, this type of road we will see while the road speed limit is 40 mph or above. This is the road that we are going if your vehicle is just at this point, and this is the opposite road where the oncoming vehicle will come from the opposite side. If your vehicle is just there and you need to turn right, so before turning right, you will see like this arrow marking. So if you will see like this arrow marking in this type of the road pattern, so you need to think that you need to turn right from that point. So if your vehicle is in that point, first of all you need to turn your indicator right, then just go ahead and turning right on that point, then go gently, then you need to turn right. Now I will discuss about turning right at T-junction. This type of the road pattern we call it T-junction because there is no road from the opposite side going forward. So it is called T-junction. So to turn right in this type of the junction, if your vehicle is just at that point and you need to turn right, so you cannot turn right from this lane because the road marking indicates that it is only left. So you can go only left by using this lane. So to turn right, first of all you need to turn your indicator right, then you need to pass from left hand lane to the right hand lane. After passing from left hand lane to right hand lane, in that point, so you need to slow down because there is a giveaway sign. This type of a sign, we call it giveaway sign. So you don't need to stop. You need to go gently by slowing down, and you must be careful about the vehicle that are coming from your right hand side on that point. If there will any vehicle from your right hand side will come, then you need to stop and wait until the clearance from your right hand side. If your right hand side will be clear, then you need to gently pass by keeping your indicator turning right on that road. Now I will discuss about a common mistake that are generally occurred by the learner, either they are taking lesson or during the practical test. If you want to turn right from that point to that road, first of all you need to turn your indicator right, then you need to gently go from that point, and if your right hand mirror is just equal to the center white line, then you need to wait here for the oncoming vehicle, and if there will be no oncoming vehicle, gently turning right. But sometimes mistakenly learner generally do during the turning right, they will go by keeping their indicator right and they will go generally on that road. This is wrong because this road will be used by the oncoming vehicle from that side. If you will use this road during turning right, there will be a possibility for a serious accident if there will any oncoming vehicle will come and turn left from their side. So if you will use this wrong approach during turning right, you will fail in your driving test exam. Thank you for watching. I hope you have enjoyed the video and you have learned something new about driving. If you will like the video, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.